Hi, good afternoon. This is Seth Pickens with Live Oak Exteriors out here at Scott Hoagland's house. Claim number is 1153 Kilo 8-04 Mike. We have a damaged shingle here documented by State Farm. We're actually doing the repair attempt on the back side of the house. It's currently 51 degrees outside right now, but the sun's hitting this, so it's going to be the most pliable surface that we're going to have to simulate a repair here. I appreciate the estimate, you having that conversation with me on the phone last week, and I'm going to be as careful as I can through this entire process, not try to bend the shingles over 45 degrees and the whole 9 yards here. So the shingles over here, the butt joints are exposed on these sides, so I'm going to unseal the bottom layer here first. And obviously we're gonna have to get up into these areas here. Corners are done. Okay, all these are unsealed. We'll start removing the nails now. Looks like that one just pulled right through. A lot of these are just pulling straight through. Okay, looks like we're almost out here. It's like we had talked about before. I've done repairs on these style of roofs in the neighborhood previously. This is starting to deteriorate and form some creases on these shingles. I'm going to continue to get the shingle out, and then we'll see the damage from there. Yep, see, there goes one right here. So the shingle's out, but a lot of these, the nails are actually still in here. So I have to try to get these out. Running into different problems here. All right, so I've got most of the nails out right now.